how to fix Safari can't connect to iCloud private relay. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app on your mobile device. And now inside the Settings app, simply scroll down till you find the Safari and tap on it. Inside Safari, scroll down again and look for the Clear History option available there. After you see it, simply tap on it and you can see Clear History option available in the red highlights and simply clear all the history of the Safari. Now, after you do so, go back to the settings on your iPhone and select your name at the top of the screen. Then choose iCloud and scroll down and select Private Relay option available there. After that, simply toggle on and off the private relay according to your preferences. This will ensure that the iCloud private relay comes in automatically tomorrow, by which time the outage will hopefully be over. If you'd rather leave it off until you are sure, you can tap turn off private relay instead, but remember that your browsing will be unprotected by private relay until you manually turn it back on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.